Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize QuickBooks Online to track affiliate income step by step clearly. To authorize QuickBooks Online to track your affiliate income, start by logging into your QuickBooks. Once logged in, navigate to the left-hand menu and select the Apps option. In the Apps section, use the search bar to find your affiliate tracking software. Click on the app that you want to connect to QuickBooks Online. On the Apps page, locate the Get App Now button and click it. You may be prompted to grant permissions for QuickBooks Online to access your affiliate app data. Read through the permission requests carefully, then click Authorize to proceed. After granting access, you will be taken back to QuickBooks Online. Next, return to the left-hand menu and select Transactions, then click on Banking. In the Banking section, you'll want to find the bank account linked to your affiliate payments. If your affiliate payments go to a different account, make sure to add and link that account as well. Now, click on the Link Account button if needed, and follow the prompts to connect your bank account. Once the connection is established, QuickBooks will begin syncing your affiliate income transactions. Allow some time for your affiliate income transactions to show up in QuickBooks Online. After confirming that transactions are syncing correctly, navigate to Sales in the left-hand menu. In the Sales section, you can create invoices or sales receipts for your affiliate income if needed. Make sure to categorize your transactions properly based on their nature. You can use the Tags feature to help categorize and track specific affiliate income sources. Regularly check and reconcile these transactions to maintain accurate financial records. That completes the authorization process for tracking your affiliate income in QuickBooks Online. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.